This next song we do for you is a song written by the Reverend Dennis Kamakahi, who, as of lately, he's been on our thoughts. He just recently passed away, and so we remember him as we do his music. It's the best way to honor anyone in Hawaii. It's very Hawaiian. This song entitled Wahine Ilikia takes us to the friendly island of Molokai for just a little while, a place we love to visit every so often. They have wonderful hospitality and the living is slow, but mostly because they have delicious and ono hot bread there they serve late at night. The bakery is closed, but you can still visit from the back. And yeah, it's kind of famous. If you've never done it late at night, yeah, go check it out. What's the name of that? Anyways, this song, which has nothing to do with bread or sweet bread, but we love to sing it anyways. Once again, written by the Reverend Dennis Kamakahi, entitled Wahine Ilikia. Reverend Dennis Kamakahi, Wahine Ilikia. Thank you. Mahalo nui.